Hi everyone. In this video, we will be discussing the equations of motion. So firstly, let us list them. We have the first one. I'll write it in blue. We've got the first one as v final equals to the initial velocity plus at. The second one, which is finding the displacement using the acceleration given the time and the initial velocity. The third, finding the final velocity using the initial velocity given the acceleration and the displacement. And finally, also finding the displacement using the initial velocity, the final velocity given the time. So in the first question number 6, we have a particle that has an initial velocity of 2 meters per second and an acceleration of 4 meters per second. So let me list my givens. I've got the initial velocity equals to 2 meters per second, and given the acceleration equals to 4 meters per second squared. The question says find its displacement, so I need to find the displacement after 10 seconds, after the time interval 10 seconds. So given all these formulas, I will think about choosing the green formula, which is this one. So I'll write it down as delta x equals to 1 over 2 a t squared plus v initial t. Now replacing everything by its value, I've got 1 over 2 times 4 times 10 squared plus the initial velocity is 2 times 10. So 100 times 2, which will give me 200, and a 20, which is a total of 220 meters. The second question number 7. Here I have a body that has an initial velocity of 4. After 6 seconds, the velocity is a final velocity of 12 meters per second. The question is to determine the displacement of the body in the 6 seconds. So again, I will list my givens as the initial velocity, the velocity at which he began, which was 4. After 6 seconds, after the time interval 6 seconds, the final velocity is 12 meters per second. Now, given these givens, I need to find the displacement. So I need a formula that uses the initial velocity, the time interval, and the final velocity to find the displacement. Now let me look at my formulas. I see that I have the last one. Yes, I do. So let me go and use it. So delta x, which is the displacement, equals to the initial velocity and the final velocity multiplied by the time over 2, which is 4 and 12 times 6 over 2. So here I have 16 times 3, which is 48 meters. Thanks for watching.